Have you ever wondered why some elderly Chinese people seem so full of life, effortlessly maintaining their energy and vitality well into old age? What if we told you there's an ancient secret behind their well-being, one that has been passed down for generations and has helped them stay active while addressing a common yet often overlooked health issue worldwide? Now, picture this: you wake up feeling refreshed, light, and full of energy. No bloating, no discomfort, just a sense of ease and well-being. Sounds amazing, right? What if I told you that a natural remedy, trusted for centuries, could help you achieve this effortlessly? Constipation is more than just an inconvenience, it's a serious issue affecting over 4 million people in the US alone. When waste lingers in the body, toxins accumulate, wreaking havoc on digestion, immunity, and overall health. Left untreated, it can lead to fatigue, skin issues, and even chronic diseases. But what if the solution lies in an age-old practice that has stood the test of time? Red dates, the secret? Red dates, or jujubes. These sweet fruits have been a staple in traditional Chinese medicine for thousands of years. Packed with fiber, they regulate digestion, prevent constipation, and support gut health. Red dates are rich in potassium for fluid balance, vitamin C for immunity, and iron for circulation. They also have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, nourishing the body and mind. Traditional Chinese medicine values red dates for their ability to calm the mind and improve sleep, factors that also impact digestion. Their holistic benefits make them a powerful addition to your diet. How can you use them? A popular method is red date tea, which is made by simmering it with goji berries and longan fruit. Another is soaking them overnight and eating them on an empty stomach. You can also add them to smoothies, soups, or porridge. Balance is key. While red dates are beneficial, moderation is important. Traditional Chinese medicine emphasizes listening to your body, aiding in harmony with its needs. Digestive health principles are universal. Whether through tea or a smoothie, incorporating red dates into your diet can make a difference. Nature provides everything we need for health. By making mindful choices, like adding red dates to your diet, you can improve digestion and overall vitality.